Introducing that BCAN BT for fitness. Trampoline from fitness. Join me for a quick workout.
Come on, let's go.
Wanting to feel strong.
You want to feel strong? Come on, women. Over 50, over 60. Let's go.
It's time to move. Find your rhythm, find your groove. BT for rebounder. Soft and light. Fitness got the bounce just right. Beginners, seniors, start today.
Come on. That's right. Beginners, seniors, I can help you. Woo.
Cheryl, come on, let's go. Faster, better, help, nice and low.
Yay! How'd you like it? This is the BCAN 40-inch fitness rebounder. It also comes in a 48-inch, so if you want to do things like lay down on it, stretch, it's a great beginner trampoline for women, men, over 50, over 60, with the adjustable T-bar. Comes with extra bungees, grippy socks. You could take the bar off if you don't need it later. So many great features and benefits of this rebounder. Join me on this journey that I've been doing 66 days to get fit. See you next time. Bye.